The Independent Commission of Investigation to question male cop in the disappearance of Donaldson. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. The Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) has summoned the female district constable listed as a person of interest in the disappearance of social media personality Donna Donaldson to answer to pertinent questions in relation to the case. The notice was served on the district constable on Wednesday for her to appear before INDECOM on August the 3rd as the agency conducts a special operation to determine if there are any grounds on which to suspect any member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force involvement in the case. This was confirmed by attorney Oswald Smith, who has been retained to represent the constable after her status was upgraded to that of a suspect in the case. The male police constable named as a person of interest in the disappearance of social media personality 24-year-old Donna Donaldson has retained the services of attorney Christopher Townsend. Mr. Townsend told reporters that the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) will on August the 3rd question the constable about his involvement with the social media personality. The notice was served on Mr. Maitland to answer the question before INDECOM as the agency conducts a special investigation to determine if there are any grounds to suspect any member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force as contravened by law. Donaldson was reported missing on July the 30th according to police reports on July the 11th around 10 p.m. Donna was picked up at her home by the constable, who is said to be her boyfriend, in a black BMW motor car to spend the night with him at an apartment located in Kingston. However, on July the 12th, Donaldson's mother, Sophia Lugg, reported to the police that she had not seen or heard from her daughter since. Reports further indicated that the constable, who is the father of a child for a district constable at the Halfway Tree police station, told Donald's mother that she left his apartment on Tuesday, July the 12th, sometime after 11 a.m. and has not been seen or heard from since. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, at a press conference on Monday afternoon, said that the police have processed the cars of the missing woman's boyfriend and his baby mother. Townsend expressed displeasure at how the police are conducting the investigation. Townsend disclosed that two eyewitnesses have come forward to say that they saw Donaldson leave her boyfriend's apartment on July the 13th. Townsend, however, revealed that the police returned to the apartment Thursday afternoon to conduct a second forensic sweep. However, we'll continue to just track these stories and provide you with any more information to come on this. So what we're going to share with you now is actually a little segment in which Andre Stevenson provides some information, and I can tell you, you better brace yourself for this, what is about to come right now, because this is real. Some real chilling information is about to be shared with you right now.
You are saying that you're of the view that the truck came for a coach? Or do you believe that the coach is a code?
I don't think it's a code. I think it's illiterate. Remember earlier, after breaking the story, you asked Noel the question about the coach and the television in his house, if they are there. Mm-hmm. You remember asking him that question?
I remembered I asked him if the TV was broken. I remembered I asked him where is the coach. So it is now I am asking now, isn't this evidence or substantiating evidence to prepare the argument that Jamaica, something is up?
But the guy admitted, it's the first time I'm working for you. I'm doing a job for you. Mm-hmm. The guy admitted that he was introduced to Noel by another friend.
Yeah, by a third party.
Yes. He only found out, apparently, what he was involved in when all these information start circling on social media. Now, back to the investigation officer. If you get to the point where you're investigating the transporter and the transportation of the body, shouldn't you have been more advanced on how this young lady died? Who killed this young lady? The young lady that was killed or that died in your colleague apartment. No, the cover-up that is going on is 10 times worse than the crime that is committed. Because what we heard discussed in those voice notes is arguments surrounding the transportation and destruction of that young girl's body. This man think he was transporting a coach to be repaired or whatever from a house to a upholster as what he was.
But I don't necessarily think that.
No, just let's state that as a literal statement for now.
Well, I won't take it literal. I believe it's a code. I really believe the coach with the argument of going to an upholstery place is a code. Because that code, him would have said, if me and you are talking future, remember say, at the upholstery place you carry it come. You understand? And that code is carried right across. It's police, they know how to work it. They know how to work it. So I am asking him, what is the significance of the couch? Where is the upholstery place? Is the upholstery place Riverton City? Is the upholstery place a funeral home?
Great question.
Where is the upholstery place? That is a serious answer. That he needs to answer to. Then I am going to ask. I remembered last night I asked them, what is the significance of Old Harbor? Is it that the driver drove to Old Harbor? Is the upholstery site in Old Harbor?
Or for that matter, the funeral parlor or the crematorium.
So I am asking, this couch is very important to Noel. This couch, what is so important about him finding the vehicle? 1, 2, finding back the couch. Because apparently he wants to know if the man tell the people are in the come, if he dropped off something for him. That's what he was trying to get at. Don't you realize that? Don't you realize? He's trying to identify Jamaica. If the man told the investigators what was the contract that he was asked to do. That's what he was trying to ascertain, you know. Because if you listen to the if you listen,
and he's cocky,
and he's trying to use reverse psychology on the man to make the man become sympathetic, thinking that the man would have, you know, put his guards down.
And you notice he did not say to the man, no, listen what them a say, I lie the people them a tell. He apologized for what he brought him into. That's one of the other admission as well.
So what I am saying to you, He needs to tell the world. He needs to tell his attorney needs to clear up the ambiguities around this recording now. His attorney,
No,
Christopher.
Andre, the issue is around this recording. Why still yet the police have not arrested Noel and questioned him under caution? If you can get to the point of where you get to the driver who transported the coach, there is a lot of seriousness that comes before that, Andre. Like, how did she get killed? Was she killed in this house? By whom? By how much people? This is law enforcement killing us, covering up the crime, and transport our body to be destroyed, Andre. How much missing people in Jamaica were possibly killed by the police and body exposed by them and their friends? This is a very, very serious issue, because we have a whole heap of missing person, and the glare that this is under, we cannot say that police is not involved in other missing persons in Jamaica. The DPS that should arrest and question his colleague under caution is having continuous private conversation with the main suspect in the case, even though they are not seeing it that way. But it is because you are investigating that suspect while you have gotten to the driver. It is Noel that lead you to the driver, so why aren't you questioning Noel? And I've never heard such an investigation anyway, where you come and seize the van for forensic and you have not taken in the driver for questioning. There's a whole heap of kangaroo court mentality going on with this case.
So I'm going to ask you again, my brother and friend. Where do we go from here?
Right. Even though they are not seeing it, can hear in this voice note is on a cliff edge. Is either the people of Jamaica will have to get up and pull their country back, or the country is going to take a mighty great fall with all of us. Because when we get to the level of mistrust that we have with the police, or when we get to the level of crime that law enforcement is committing against the people. Now, after this voice note, if there was any Jamaican left trusting in the police force, after this voice note, do you think Jamaicans will be comfortable to go into the police for assistance when anything happened to them and expect to get genuine assistance?
So I am going to say to you, and this is my proclamation to Jamaica, the coach is a code. The coach represents a code. Noel needs to tell Jamaica what that code is.
He's not going to tell Jamaica what that code is because he's been protected. He is being protected.
And then I'm going to ask the Prime Minister, you continue to be silent, but your employees have compromised have compromised a high-level investigation. So I am saying again, Noel,
I want to ask the investigating officer, who else have you seen on that video going in and out of the apartment before the driver get there?
Yes, we want
This is
to.
very important.
So if the driver went
Who were the
there,
people? Mhm. In all of the story that we're hearing from you, bro, the story, Andre, to know the driver in all these names, Cathy friend, and all of that, the driver entered way after them.
let me take this call and call you back.
Yeah.
Hello? I was wondering where you are.
I'm in the hospital. I just had an MRI done, so I had to cut out at the part where you were talking about when the second voice note that was played. My question, I think on this matter is one. I don't think the coach is a code for Noel, but not for the driver. Because the driver is still yet confused.
Yeah, because the driver don't understand what he mean by coach.
Listen, me, man. This driver get a coach to deliver somewhere. This is where the confusion comes with this driver. He delivered the coach somewhere where maybe don't make no sense to him. You understand me? And all of this with the go down, he try to pencil it together. Do you know that this driver is a smart man? This driver is recording the conversation between him and Noel. He must safeguard himself. Telling the world unknown certain terms. He has nothing
to do with it.
He get a dog to do and him doing job. When Noel talk about when the man drive the coach, carry the coach go, the man say, wait, what? Which upholstery place?
Which upholstery place? So the man really never got no upholstery place.
The man never no upholstery place. And that's what the man is telling the people him. He not got no upholstery place. If he even brought the coach to a car wash, fine. He moved it from the house to the car wash. I believe that Noel might have somebody picked it up. Somebody else picked it up from there. Wherever this coach, it don't make no sense to this man. You understand me? Noel is connected to too many people for doing dirty work for him. You understand me? And he is so cocky and he feel confident with himself that him now come out of it. You might tell the man, say, don't worry about you, so get back at Sh0ck.
And him go tell the man, say, oh, him go talk to the investigating officer.
Yes. That is a show you the height of confidence this man has.
The heights of corruption.
That he will get away after this thing not going anywhere. You understand me? So let me see what the people in Jamaica can do now. I raise up our fight and everything they go down there. A judgment. And if the Prime Minister come talk about this. And make the people in Jamaica know say yes, enough is enough, and we have the ear now, and we go move towards doing something about this case. The DP himself need to remove from this case. It's a piece of dirt garbage.
So you're saying the Assistant Commissioner of Police and all who came out earlier this week must be removed from the case?
This case is highly compromised. You understand me? Highly, like I said to you the other night, you know, I said, I don't see not one competent person in Jamaica for to take over the justice system. I said it before. I said you need an outside source to come govern this. Nobody. When I said nobody, I said no, not what? One.
No, not one. When this came to my ears today, I said to myself, mighty God, Donna surely is not alive.
No, because what I think he did, I think he killed her. Like I said before, I believe he killed her. Call over the baby mother and whoever else will go over there with them to go help him clean up the place. Cause you can imagine the disarray the place, was it? So maybe they came over to help in that regards. You understand? So what he did is place her body in the coach. The driver know nothing about it.
My God.
You understand? So the coach went away to wherever they brought the coach to. This man knows that he can't get back the coach. Because the man asked him which part. Which coach? The man know the coach is no more.
So if the coach is no more, wait no. If the coach is no, wait no man. Let me you solve it no man. If the coach is, you hear what the man say? That I'm second come give my work. So I want know if it's a dumb site them there.
Listen, me, man.
If it's a dumb site, you know, so you get the second hand man, we go get the work.
Of course.
And then the two of them go do the work and get paid.
Yes. The pair of business of one, that's what I'm telling you. But tell us he had a lot of people to do his dirty work. Even in the investigation, with the vice note, you hear what he said? He incriminated his girlfriend as well. He said a third party. And he said, no, it's not a third party, it's my baby mother.
Mm-hmm.
My brother right this all right tonight. So she damn well know what they want to.
Boy, this DP, man.
And none of them is arrested as we speak.
And none of them are suspects. None of them are suspects.
Yeah?
None.
Let me tell us that Jamaica gone to the dogs, it really do. Gone to the dogs. Nobody down there is competent enough to run with justice system and give us justice. Not one of them.
So I want to know, I want a truck driver to say, where was the work commissioned from?
He might go talk. Because that the man look like a somebody have conscious. Because him saying family member them, the panel, they ask him what one and he can't give them an answer.
And yeah, here, because I'm saying he have no more money if he go hustle now. And that man is saying no.
Time truck gone and livelihood.
His livelihood gone. So, that means say, we want to know, where did Noel meet the truck driver?
Did you hear? No, didn't you hear what he said?
Yeah,
him said. Noel probably meet him. Noel will probably meet him. Noel
if the brown Indian man.
Don't meet him. Noel don't meet him as far as we are hearing. If you listen good, he did not meet him. It was through a third party. Noel friend. So probably they talk over the phone and like you tell him say him not save him now.
Yeah, because I know 2 or 3 times him do the work with him at one time. Man.
So listen, and maybe get a work for do for me now and they go probably give your Bridget the money cause and then we give you the money go pick it up for your Bridget. He probably don't even see no one in the name. So that's how he's trying to distance a lot of things from in evidence from him. Working through third party. Can you hear? And then now we the people of Jamaica to sit down with these kind of things at another day and take it as if it's as business as usual.
I want to know.
So the country needs to lock down permanently, lock it down. 7 days, disrupt every business sector down there.
So I want to know, where did was the truck found? Was the truck found at Phil's Hardware? Was that where the work was commissioned from?
The thing is this, Andre, I think that they have investigating people really want to work this case, Because you hear when tell him so them go bring the truck. Then tell him one thing but move the truck to another.
Mm-hmm.
But then he enough to get information where the truck was moved. So nobody truck there. Him have him high link. So him go contact them to find out where they.
My God.
And all information. I think people really have this case want to work this case in the justice system. But because of the of the corruption in it, you understand me? Everywhere them turn, somebody leaking some information and it reaching back to the suspect.
This truck argument is steep.
Cover up. Was it a case that blood is in the truck? Nobody knows.
Or blood in the couch?
Blood in the couch. Was it a case because if them go and why would he remove a couch from his home at that time? Make it make sense to me. Right when the girl got missing, it makes sense stupid. If the coach missing, take out of the house right in at that time and a person missing, they would have know how happen. Put 1 and 1 make 2. They get the body that the coach. The body is in the coach. We know you don't even need Stevie Wonder
to tell you so My
And
God. This
they
case.
think that Jamaican people are stupid and a bunch of idiots, and we are going to rail up 1 and 2 days, and them know say by 7 days, 9 days talk it done, and it's business and attack them away from.
If your heart is weak, if you know Jamaica, you cannot bear tonight, you see, here is going to be serious problem. Noel, I hope you have Pampers.
Call ended.
Hello?
Call ended.
What you saying? Hello?
Well, look funny. $160. And she did that. It's next week. She checked on the plan.
Who is ready? Noel, there is something. There is something I want to know. Where is the coach? Where is the coach, Noel? Noel, why are you pressing about the coach? Noel, the coach, what about the coach? Jamaica, brace for what is about to unfold. Noel, what is in the couch? Did you have a private contractor come to your residence for the couch? What about the coach, Noel? The coach. The coach. The coach. Jamaica, listen to this.
Hello?
Yeah, Jay.
Yo.
But we can see like about here, someone.
All this.
Me, you talked to you earlier, man. You make it sound like me about here.
No, man. I want him to people call me. I need to know who special.
Oh, remember you did tell me say you common sense from them time, man. The you edit link up, man, right? When name the brown you, man. You remember him name? A brown Indian you, man. A slim brown Indian you, man. They give me a link, man. The time.
Yeah, for the hour.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you're not saying nothing. What you say go on now?
Yeah, man. I said when they did bring the coach, got a poster place for me.
The coach.
Yeah.
Who this? Are the police you this?
Yeah, bro.
You're a bad man. I be a trouble me and a bad man. Right now, me not to eh?
What kind of trouble?
I want go on.
May I ask you what kind of trouble you know?
Make me start it over again.
Not tell you say I'm truck them take away in a bad man.
Jamaica, call a friend.
Hello?
Call your family.
Yo.
But we can see like about here, someone.
Who this?
Me, you talked to you earlier, man. You make it sound like me about here.
No, man. I want him to people call me. I need to know who special.
Oh, remember you did tell me say you common sense from them time, man. The you edit link up, man, right? When name the brown you, man. You remember him name? A brown Indian you, man. A slim brown Indian you, man. They give me a link, man. The time.
Yeah, for the hour.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you're not saying nothing. What you say go on now?
Yeah, man, I said when they did bring the coach, got the Polster place to me.
The coach?
Yeah.
How old this? Are the police out this?
Yeah, bro.
You're a bad man. I be a trouble me and I ain't a bad man. Right now, me not a... Eh?
What kind of trouble you?
I want go on.
Me ask you what kind of trouble you in.
That tell us, I'll me truck them take away in a bad man.
Take away your truck for what?
You don't want to talk about take away my truck for what? Don't have me on camera everything, bad man.
So they take away your truck for?
Oh, me if you know, police come take away the truck and all type of things.
Wanna tag the Prime Minister?
Oh, boy. That's why I'm short to you, know. That's why I'm short to cause them show me the thing that all over the internet, brother, but me link yesterday.
Yeah, but me need to know where I go on.
Eh?
Me need to know where I go on, bad man. You give me a work and me do a work and me done it. Me carry from where me carry to where. And,
What?
And then I be other thing. Me need to know where I go on, bad man. Kinda like some, like me know you are involved in or nothing. Me need to know where I go on, you know, me G.
They are investigating me for somebody that was seen at my apartment, my girlfriend. Not even go to somebody. That's the whole reason. Is it? So I just pick me the way pick up at my couch. Is it? I upholster place, but just
me for pick up at the couch at upholster place. Which upholster place?
Alright, I don't know why I talk to me, so probably yeah, them already convinced you or whatever. So me talk to you.
Convince me about what?
Come a bit of call you now and say phone.
You called me this morning.
Yeah.
And me just get up, so me never know who. Me ask her who, and then the phone just hang up.
So where them take away your truck for? Where them take away your truck for?
If me want to know.
So why you not show me if them take away your vehicle?
How me for show to me not have your number?
So where they know?
Yo, me there on the yard, brother.
Alright, it's alright. Look at me.
Yeah, so me need to know where this thing about. Me need to know where this thing about, bad man.
Yo, boy, listen one thing to that.
Yeah, me don't want nobody involve me in a no farmer thing, see? Cause you can't, me a big man and you see how hard me work. Me I do my work, and me do my work, and that's all me do, and you pay me. And me and you, see? This thing now like it a get out of hand, bad man. See? Cause
get out of hand with what? That's why I ask you with what? With what?
Cause me don't have no clue when me see police come, take on me truck. And say them want it for do.
For do what?
Like you da check on something on it.
Call ended.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Remember, so me have sense. Me I wonder what I go on, so me get to understand so that myself person missing. And when I hear these things now, you know, by over the media and so and get to understand, say. I saw them get to see my truck and all of them something there, you know. I said, I can't believe this.
Yeah, but there's a camera there. They're gonna just investigate everything, Papa. That's why I call you. They ask you to come deal with this truck. Remember Sh0ck?
Yeah, why you want me link you for?
Yeah?
What you want me link you for now?
No. What do you mean you want me link you for?
That me ask you.
Alright, just don't worry yourself. Whatever them are investigators, make them do them investigation and know yourself. You hear me?
Yeah, but me need to worry about man. I want my truck.
So all I'm gonna take away your truck.
Yesterday,
Look at your four.
I'm tell you, how me for know?
So them not giving a reason, so you tell me say them say forensic or all of that. But them take a truck for.
Them say them something sensitive or whatever. And
Something sensitive.
yeah, and them in a it's sensitive and them is in a like an investigation.
You talk to me like somebody I talk to you, brother. Them approach you, brother. When you talk to me, you not talk to me. I don't care who they're on, you know. Talk to me when you talk to me, brother.
Talking to me?
Because them keep on to talk to everybody. They want to talk to everybody who is affiliated in here. I don't know why. Them said to you where them are they are going to investigate because it is a investigation going on. So it's my apologies about that.
Oh boy. See? No me can't say ask, me can't give my sister them or nobody a good answer. Them want to know why them have the truck, why them and why them have to carry me away yesterday. One bag of thing.
No, my brethren, like, give me a link, you know. You see me? The second way, give me the link, I tell me, say, police come here, and that's why I shout at them, I say, what happened? It may call you, but you never answer your phone. Why you get your number from?
Yes, so that's why when you call me this morning, as I tell you.
But you move like you're guilty or something that me ask you, because I'm been a call you for ask you what happened, because them tell me say police come take up your truck and all of that. So I ask you what happened, you know, tell me no what happened.
Me not, oh you mean them not, me not tell you, so them says it's missing person.
I talk about this morning, Papa.
This morning when you call me?
Yeah, you never talk to me.
But me couldn't talk to you, me never know who, me don't know your number.
Oh.
You know, see, when you call me now, me still have to ask you who and what is, and for 100% know what me I say who. Because remember, delivery me do, you know, because me do all type of work.
And that's all me call to find out, Papa. But, me see what is going. Them are going to do them investigation. And obviously, them are go question everything. So just don't worry yourself. There's nothing for it, but I'm sorry about that.
As what me I say, them yesterday I said the same thing. It's nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. And I don't have my vehicle. I can't go eat a food. I can't do nothing.
I understand that, and that is why I'm call you. Because me here said them take away your vehicle and all of that. And that year second tell me, you know, our day, you know, him tell me so them take away your vehicle. So I call you this morning to ask you what happened. Yeah. It's like, I can't get to this morning.
Oh. Maybe the phone, me never there with the phone there.
Just let them do them investigation, man, and know yourself. As when them finish them, I'll give up your vehicle and you go alright.
No style. Because me ask the man how me I go manage without that, you know. It me and my little sister, them, my sibling, them live off, you know. See? And it's all embarrassment, brother. Embarrassment. Be a people that look them come chuck it and wreck and be a police and all type of things. And people so embarrassed and shame and the bottom line, I don't know what it's about. I wait down in the evening, me have to down in them back. One of them look at me and say, alright, I'm a big man, I don't go around you. Ray and Ray. I'm say like, really? I was so amazed.
Them are going to do them investigation, Papa. Stop worrying yourself about that. You know, I bread, isn't it? You know, I bread, but just go and stand for you. I mean, I got you whole heap of things to me, G. Isn't me? So, that's some apologize for that. That's simple, I call it this morning, you know. Me hear what happened, I call it for ask you what happened.
Yeah, but at least when I answer the phone, I say, who is this? You know.
Yeah, because every time I call you, you keep on saying you don't know who you talk to. And I have to remind you who I talk to every minute.
Because I don't have your number in my phone, and I like me know your number like that. That's what I tell you. Remember first me I work with you, you know. And I like me know your number like that. Or mother do 2 work for you, so you call me, mother save your number. Because some me deal with customer. Once me get 2 work from you, I save your number in my phone.
What are they saying about them are do them investigation, right? So them so give a catch up, man. Let's stop worrying yourself about that.
No stop.
Them so give a catch up, man.
So when you say soon give me back my truck, like about how long?
Me don't know how long. Them are gonna do them thing and then them are gonna give back. I don't know, I can't tell you when, G. Just a call for apologize for that.
No stop. Father, alright. Everything good.
Alright,
Hello?
yeah, them tell you which station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry go half a tree and then them not carry go half a tree. Them carry go up like you go Pocky in here.
Probably I forgot to ask the DSP were investigating.
Wait there.
Yeah. Alright.
Me couldn't hear that part.
So watch out.
Yeah?
I'll not me not have.
I want to hear that part there again.
Hello?
Noel say I go talk to the DSP.
Which station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me tell them I carry go half a tree and then them not carry go half a tree. Them carry go up like you go Pocky in here.
Probably I forgot to ask the DSP were investigating.
You hear that? You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright. So watch out.
Yeah?
Only hear what Noel say? Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Now let me fix my turban right. When I hope you're awake. Somebody call Wayne for me there. Ha! Wayne! Lord Jesus. Only hear what the man say? Noel say him a go talk to the DSP pan the case. It not safe yet. Oh, Noel, she say. So Noel has privilege to talk to the DSP on the case. How Noel can say Jamaica? When wake up as me rap me. Jesus, the case at. Wanna see how the police force dirty, right? Wanna see how the police force dirty Jamaica? Me a go make una hear what the man say again. This part, you know, is serious.
Hello?
Yeah, them tell you which station take it, so we can go find out about it.
Huh?
Them tell you which station take it.
They must carry it up let me say them a carry go half a tree and then them not carry go half a tree. Them carry go up like you go pop key in here.
I forgot to ask the DSP were investigating.
Yeah.
On the ear.
Alright.
On the ear him
So
say.
watch out.
Yeah?
Me not have nobody not give me nothing. I have no contact or say nothing to me about the truck. Then just take it so. Take the truck key and everything. Me papers them. Papers them are work on so they never get that.
So them take a papers them.
No, them are ask the papers, but it a do something.
Alright, I'm supposed to see the DSP in a few, so I'm going to find out about it. Me not even know if it's asking about that either. I just hear me here so them take a vehicle and so I'm call and get now.
Star.
My God.
Now how long are going to see them take a vehicle?
Yesterday, Batman.
Yesterday.
Right? And my vehicle broke down and they are my yard and then find me yard, my address, everything.
Yeah, because your father and my house, that's why. They might investigate every single thing. So that's the whole reason.
One of them even look for me and say, now you chuck this. And I look, I say, I might chuck. I couldn't tell him no. So I say, yeah. And I ask me,